Okay, so we'll just continue with these proportions. Right, okay, so this 12 workers, okay, now apparently that's not the total amount of workers. They were forced to lay off 12 workers, and that 12 workers represents 3/8 of the total amount of workers, the employees. So again, I'll write this 3/8, 3/8. Okay. Now remember, I'm not doing what's 3/8 of 12. 12 isn't the total. Okay. Again, watch this. So here it is. 3 out of 8 of the employees have been laid off. Now, it's not 12 on the bottom. This is the amount of employees laid off. Okay. This on the bottom is the total amount of employees. It's telling me they laid off 12. All right. I need to know what this is then. Okay. So I need to know what the total amount of workers are. Okay. Now, you don't really have to do cross multiplication for this one, because I can see, oh God, I'm not the cat. I can see going from left to right. Okay, look at this. Have a look at this. Without doing cross multiplication, some shortcuts. From 3 to 12, I multiplied by 4. Okay, if I do the same to the bottom, that'll give me 32. Okay, so I know that this is 32, just because that's like equivalent fractions. 3/8 is the same as 12 over 32, because it's 4 times bigger, top and bottom. But you know, if you're not sure about that, let's do the cross multiplication. 3 times x is 3x. Okay, 8 times 12, I know is 96. When I divide by the number next to the letter, okay, divide by 3, I'll get x equals 32. So either way, the total amount of workers before they laid them off was 32. So look at that. Sometimes you can just look at it and realize, okay, all I needed to do to go from 3 to 12 was multiply by 4. If I do the same to the bottom, I'll get 32. Okay, but if in doubt, always cross multiplication. Now that's what all these are down here. So, you know, just cross multiply everywhere. I can't really see. I'm trying to think of one I can actually see. That for me I can't really see, because here, to get from 10 to 24 is not easy. To go from 6 to 9, that is not easy. But I can see this one here is okay. I can do this one off the top of my head. Look, that there, that is 16 times bigger. Okay? Can't. So if we do the same to the top, what's 2 times 16? That's 32. Just coincidence, it's the same. Okay, so again, that's without me doing the cross multiplication. 5 to 120, I think, is 24 times bigger. Okay, so I would do what's 24 times 8, you know, but again, if in doubt, it's this. 5x, 5 times x, okay, equals, I'm not sure what 8 times 120 is. Calculator. Okay, so, calculator. So what was it again? 8 times 120 going this way, so going that way. 8 times 120, a cat. 8 times 120 equals 960. Okay, so 960. So then if I divide by 5, no idea of course, what 960 is divided by 5, comes out to be, cat, 192. X must be 192. Okay? So that's just you doing cross multiplication, and I'll do another videos of you trying to, don't forget, when you've got them set up, it's easy, just kind of cross multiply. If you have to set them up yourself, that's harder.